Hey guys, I'm Mace and I'm here to give you the 6th Diabolo lesson for beginners. Okay, let's get started. Today's trick will be another basic trick, the so-called cat's cradle. Okay, let me explain what happens in this trick. What you have to do is, you have to perform some kind of knot with the string so that you toss the Diabolo in the air and you make an X shape with the strings and then landing the Diabolo on top of this. Okay? Now, there are two simple ways to achieve this. There are actually many more, but two of them are very simple. And I'm gonna show them, both of them to you. Okay. I'm gonna use this thing here to show you a little better how it's done. Okay? Okay. The first way to do this, it's some kind of, well, you'll see. It actually starts with a motion like the magic sticks. You take a position to the side of your good hand and one stick on top of the other and underneath the Diabolo. Okay? And we are here at this position. Now what happens is that this thing, okay, you see those two strings on the back side of the stick, you have to get the other stick and put it between those strings, something like that, okay? Now when you toss the Diabolo into the air and you pull the strings, you have the X shape, okay? Diabolo lands on top. If you want, you can pull the sticks apart so the Diabolo goes to the air again, like the overhead toss we saw on previous tutorials, and land it again. When you want to release it, you simply have to point downwards with the strings and it will release by itself. Okay, let me show it to you slowly, but in real time. Here we go. Alright, here we are. Like the magic six, at the position of your good hand, slip over the other, and here we are, between the two strings, toss into the air and land it. Okay? Here it is. Now how to release? Downwards and it is released. Alright. One more time, in real time. And then we'll move to the second way. Okay, here we go. You can bounce if you want, like that, and release. Alright, there is also another way to do this, and it is by using the trapeze, okay, which I have already showed in previous tutorials. I personally like the second way better because it takes less time to make a trapeze and then do the cat's cradle, so you save a lot of speed in the Diabolo and I don't know, it just flows better. Okay, but you can choose whichever way you want. You can learn both of them, I learned both of them. Okay, let me show it to you. It's not all that different from the previous way. Okay, here we are. What you have to do is perform a trapeze, like that, the stick between the two strings, toss into the air, catch, and release. Okay? The only difference is the first part of the trick. Second part is always the same. When you want to perform a cat's cradle, you always have to put one stick between two strings and toss into the air. Alright, one more time in real time. Here it is, a trapeze, stick between strings, into the air, bouncing, releasing, and that was it. Okay, this was the cat's cradle. I showed you 2 ways to perform it. There are actually many more. If you want, I can make a tutorial and show some other ways, or you can discover them yourself. And until the next tutorial, see you.